Hello viewers, a lot of users actually want to buy many tablets and smartphone in Flipkart's Holi sale or in Amazon's Holi sale. So they are asking me about the date. According to many websites and leaks and rumors, the sale may start towards 18th of March, but I don't think this is the correct date. I think Holi sale will start in the first week of March, maybe 8th or 9th of March, and it will last around 15th or 16th of March. However, I may be wrong, but the exact dates have not been mentioned by Flipkart yet. So if you are planning to buy any product in Holi sale, you have to wait till 8th or 10th of March 2025. During this time period, you may see the sale. And which cards will be available in that sale, that is also not mentioned yet. But I think Flipkart Axis Bank will be eligible for cashback, and also ICICI or HDFC card may be available. On the other hand, if you want to buy from Amazon.in, in that case the sale may be on discount with SBI credit card. In some of my previous videos, I have already mentioned the best price of the tablets, but still some users are asking me about the price of some of the tablets that may have been left. Suppose if you want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, in that case the best price would be around 40,000 rupees, and if you get that pricing, only then buy this tablet. Otherwise buy Tab S10, or you may wait for Tab S10 FE. Similarly, if you are planning to buy MI Pad 7, in that case there are two variants. The first variant is with non-nano texture coating on the display, and the second one with a coating of nano texture on the display. I think you should go the nano texture coating because the screen is non-reflective and it will have a very good protection on the eyes, but I think it will not be as vibrant as the non-textured nano coating. And if you want to buy the 128GB version, in that case the best price is under 25,000 rupees. However, you may see that pricing in Holi sale. So if you are planning to buy MI Pad 7, you have to wait till Holi sale. Some users are asking me whether iPad 10th generation 256GB is worthy enough for buying at a price point of 38,000 rupees. Look, there is a price difference from 64GB and 256GB around 10,000 rupees. So if you get iPad 10th generation 64GB at 26,000 rupees or 27,000 rupees, in that case the price of 256GB should be around 36 to 37,000 rupees. I will let you know whenever there is a deal on smartphones and tablets, and I will give you the best deals, and I will also give you information about which credit cards are actually available for discounts. So stay subscribed with this channel and you will be notified about the best deals and offers on tablets. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.